Okay, Thais has a large bottle of shampoo. There's 2 litres of shampoo in the large bottle. He also has some small bottles. Each small bottle can be completely filled with 150 millilitres of shampoo. How many small bottles can be completely filled from the large bottles? Well, firstly, I noticed that that's in litres and that's in millilitres. So I'm just going to write 2 litres equals 2,000 millilitres, and that's going to get me a mark. So now I need to do that 2,000 divided by however much one bottle can hold. So I'm going to do 2,000 divided by 150, and that leaves me with 13.33 reoccurring. Now I can't have, it does say how many bottles can be completely filled, so I can't have 0.33 of a bottle, which means that that is almost 13. So my answer is 13. Okay, question 6. The incomplete pictogram shows information about the number of cycles sold in a shop on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So 20 cycles were sold on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So one wheel, 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels and 2 halves makes 5 wheels. So I know that 5 wheels equals 20. Therefore 1 wheel must equal 4. And I need to write that in my key. 1 wheel, not a great wheel, but never mind, equals 4 cycles. So 8 cycles were sold on Friday. Well, if 1 wheel equals 4, I need 2 of those. 1, 2. Well, that's horrendous, that one. 15 cycles were sold on Saturday, so that's going to be quite tricky, but I've got 1, that's 4, 8, 12, and I don't want a whole cycle, I want 3/4 of it, because I only want 3 more bits. I'm on 12, I need to get to 15. So I now need to draw, oh, that was not very good, 3/4 of each cycle. There we go. Question 7. BCD is a straight line, ABC is a triangle. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Give a reason. Now this bit's the most important, and this bit is where we tend to fall down. So the first thing I'm going to do is recognise, before I think about anything else, that that's a straight line, and that must be 180 take away 117, which is 63. So step 1, I'm going to write 117, oh no I'm not, I'm going to write 180, take away 117, and that equals 63. My reason for that is because angles on a straight line add to 180. So the next thing I'm going to do is, this is a triangle and I just want to work out this missing angle. It's told me that it's isosceles, so it's going to either be 63 or 54, because an isosceles triangle has 2 angles that are equal. So the second thing I'm going to do is 180 take away 54 take away 63, which are these 2 inside angles, these internal angles, and that leaves me with 63 degrees. And my reason for that one is because angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. So I'm going to label that as 63. So finally, the last thing I'm going to say is triangle ABC must be isosceles because 2 of its angles are equal. Okay, so everything you do, you need to make sure you've put a reason for it.